So we got our new cat scratcher today. Good upgrade. First I got the one on sale, but so I'm getting donations, so I'm like, might as well upgrade. So we got the big cat scratcher. It's very sturdy. It's like 2 cats can play on it. So now they ain't gotta be fighting over stuff. We got Coco right here eating. So what's up? We got Star, she always underneath me. We got Star right here. Big Bones. Leo over here. They mad because they keep trying to escape. We got our double cat tree. It's looking so beautiful. I made this myself. Well, just combined 2 of them. You believe I got these for like $69 a piece. Say what's up. Say what's up. I'm taking these 2 for a haircut soon. I just called to try to make an appointment. They told me they so busy. I said, you can't slide 2 cats in? Let's see if we can start playing with the new tree. Come on, try the new tree out.